Italian parts of a house. Casa, house. Tetto, roof. Porta, door. Finestra, window. Soffitto, ceiling. Parete, wall. Pavimento, floor. Manilya, handle. Serratura, lock. Balcony, balcony. Giardino, garden. Cancello, gate. Ingresso, entrance. Gradino, step. Comignolo, chimney. Garage, garage. Apartamento, apartment. Palazzo, building. Rooms in the house. Tinello, dining room. Salotto, living room. Cucina, kitchen. Camera da letto, bedroom. Banyo, bathroom. Mansarda, attic. Primo piano, first floor. Piano terra, ground floor. Cantina, cellar. Please like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you for watching.